Colin and Samir just crossed 1 million subscribers. Watch to the end, you don't want to miss this moment.
So here we were at VidSummit 2022, just taking in Colin and Samir's keynote. They put their subscriber count up on the screen behind them. They were only a couple thousand subscribers away from 1 million, and before long, it was counting up fast.
This was a little unexpected.
As the count ticked up towards that gold play button, the energy in the audience was swelling. Samir was still trying to answer questions that people had, but it was clear that this was a big moment for them both, and they couldn't hide it. Samir had tears rolling down his face, and neither of them could hide their astonishment that this was happening right here, right now. The entire audience was chanting, everyone frantically tweeting to help Colin and Samir cross this incredible milestone together with like-minded people in the YouTube community. Until